Our highest respect to the Chief Minister of BARM, Honorable Ahmad Balawag Ibrahim, Member of the Parliament, and Minister of MSD, Honorable Mohagir M. Iqbal, Bangsamoro Parliament Deputy Speakers, Representatives, Member of the Parliament, Honorable A.D. Ali, who are joining us today through virtual. Member of the Parliament and MOST Minister Engineer Aida Silungan, Cotabato City Mayor Honorable Muhammad Ali Cruz Matabalaw, Assistant Regional Secretary MPSE Attorney City Mariam Balahi, CTA, MPST officials, Director Generals and other officials, graduating ACME-SC students, beneficiaries or scholars, and other guests who are with us today. Assalamualaikum and good morning. I have the honor to present to you our academic year 2023-2024 candidates for graduation from the first cohort of the Access to Higher and Modern Education Scholarship Program, or ACME-SC. I begin with those who are present here in the Salip Kabunsuan Cultural Complex. As I call your group, please rise to be recognized and remain standing until I finish. 109 scholars from Cotabato City, 2 of whom are summa cum laude candidates, and 9 are cum laude candidates. Please rise. 251 scholars from Maguindanao Province, 1 of whom is a magna cum laude candidate, and 17 are cum laude candidates. 91 scholars from special geographic area, 6 of whom are cum laude candidates, and 26 are cum laude candidates. And finally, 109 scholars from Marawi City, 8 of whom are magna cum laude candidates, and 24 are cum laude candidates. The scholars, you may now take your seat. We are also very grateful that our scholars from Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, or Basuka provinces are virtually joining us via Zoom on this joyous occasion. Let me start from the farthest. 146 scholars from the province of Tawi-Tawi, 1 of whom is a summa cum laude candidate, 2 are magna cum laude candidates, and 9 are cum laude candidates. 144 scholars from Sulu province, 3 of whom are magna cum laude candidates, and 11 are cum laude candidates. 220 scholars from Basilan, 3 of whom are summa cum laude candidates, and 8 are cum laude candidates. And last but not least, our 82 scholars from Dalitan City, 1 of whom is a summa cum laude candidate, and 2 are magna cum laude candidates, and 9 are cum laude candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, they are our candidates for graduation from our ACME-SC first cohort academic year 2023-2024. Alhamdulillah, our round of applause for our scholar graduates, please. Thank you very much.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much, Sir Joe. Nakaka-proud pakinggan that the 1,400 scholars of ACME, almost 70% lahat po mga laudes. And we even have the highest summa cum laude na manggagaling sa Bangsamoro region. Palakpakan po natin ulit. Alhamdulillah, nakaka-proud. Siyempre sabi nga nila,
it is also a village dance people. However, today it has developed into a royal dance. Those pagoda design worn by the main dancer were not there. Neither the male dancer trying to dance with the main Singkil dance. Singkil dance is a pure and courtship dance. The prominent features is the clapping of bamboo and the necklace that creates sounds, hence its name, Singkil. Ladies and gentlemen, the Adat Batak Cultural Dance Ensemble, the ambassador of culture in the arts, Eder Katsingkil Sanala.
Intang biduli biduli ku
come forward po. Next is si Ma'am Naira Mabandes. Ma'am Naira Mabandes? Nandito po ba? Wala. Next is si Ma'am Mesria Enala. Nandito po ba si Ma'am Mesria? Please come forward po. Next is si Ma'am Bainon Sayrola. Nandito po ba si Ma'am Bainon Sayrola?
Nandito po. Nandito.
Please come forward po. Si Mr. Omar Khalid Sayrola. Please come forward. Next is si Ma'am Mr. Talal Makapigis. Talal Makapigis. Next is si Ma'am Rema Alamada. Andito po ba? Next is si Ma'am Aisa Silongan. Ma'am Aisa Silongan, nandito po ba? Next is si Ma'am Fatima Roma Penet. Please come forward. Next is Maidenor Ali. Next is Annalyn Launyo. Dito po ba? Next is si Sir Wenceslao Bonggao. Andito po ba? Next is si Ma'am Norcia Ibay. Andito po ba si Ma'am Norcia Ibay? Next is si Ma'am Nancy Alcantara. Please come forward po. Next is si Ma'am Maydito Benito. Please come forward. Next is si Sir Bishayer Mando. Bishayer Mando, nandito po ba? Miss, okay. Sorry. Next po is si Juhaiber Kamir. Nandito po ba? Juhaiber Kamir. Okay, last but not the least, Ma'am Celia Takmamot. Sige sir, come forward na rin po. Ma'am, baka may gusto umakyat dito para magkasya tayo sa picture po. Pwede kayo tumabi sa amin. So this is the last batch, the individuals. Salambay, Ma'am Salambay. Come forward po.
Hindi makuha daw lahat.
OFW din po si Ma'am. OFW ka din, Ma'am. Sige po, come forward, Ma'am.
OFW ka pala yung gusto niya. Kapira masalis ka sa...
Sino pa po yung tinatawag? Na OFW po.
Ito ma'am, hindi natawag.
Sige ma'am, punta ka na po sa harap.
OFW. OFW din. Rap mo po. Opo.
Ano ba? Siya ka dun sa samulan. Come forward, siya ka dun sa samulan. Among ka na siya. Sige. Gabakay mamalig suman siya sa pulo, mega di ka nun galangansan sa baba. Sa pamalig ka rin sa baba. Siya sa pulo. Ma'am, yung sa mga side po, baka pwede akyat po tayo. Akyat na lang po yung sa dulo. Akyat tayo, dito tayo sa tabi. Dito na lang sa tabi namin.
Pasok sa biwang sa kuwanan.
Ma'am, sir, makita sila sa dulo?
Pwede makapag sa dulo ng walang hanggang.
Jai, hanggang sila. Kompleto na po ba lahat? Meron na pong tokens lahat? Meron pa dito. Isa-isa lang po. Dito, dito. Sige.
Oh, so kompleto na lahat.
Sige po. Picture taking na po tayo for the individuals.
Okay.
Meeting tagumpay.
Sampai.
Alright, thank you so much po sa lahat. Shukran.
Ito yung preparation na orientation sa reintegration at repatriation. Baka sabihin kasi, pagdating na may payout, sabihin na na-orient na ako kasi nagka-attend ako doon sa convention. Hindi po ito. Para malino po, hindi po ito yung orientation sa reintegration at saka repatriation. Ito po ay convention lamang or OBWD. Malino po ba? Hello? Masarap ba hamburger? Okay. Sige.
Yung mga hindi po naka-receive ng certificates, lumapit lang po tayo kay Ma'am Jaya, yung nasa likod po na table, para malista natin yung mga hindi po nakakuha ng certificates. Alright, so the last part of our program is
Please be now seated. To our distinguished guests and special visitors, the Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, His Excellency Honorable Ahmad Balawak Ibrahim, Cotabato City Mayor para sa lahat, Muhammad Ali Bruce Matabalaw, to our bosses and colleagues from the Ministry of Basic Higher and Technical Education Main Office of the Minister, headed of course, the Minister of the Ministry of Basic Higher and Technical Education, Minister Muhajir Iqbal, Director General of the Higher Education, Marjuni Madi, our Director General in the Basic Education, we have Abdullah Salik Jr., Bureau Directors of the subsector of the Ministry of Basic Higher and Technical Education, and to these graduating students from the different areas in the region together with their proud parents, again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We are also being seen or live through the Zoom with our scholars coming from the island divisions who are not able to join us due to distance, and some of them, meron pa po silang mga exams. Unfortunately, hindi natin makakasama, but somehow kasama natin sila online. Moving on to formally welcome us to this auspicious event, let us hear the opening remarks of